So guys, so here we are checking the dollars. You see, so here they have a very special dollars. See this one? We're working with fingerprint and also the card. So we are checking that. Let's go. This one, the price is very good. I don't know whether you guys need it. So.
No, if we get no security.
Yeah, you don't need that. Yeah. So if there's other doors, need to work with it.
Yeah.
So this. They also have this is the whole design. The whole one.
That's like when we saw the other place.
Yeah, somewhat. This is for the
Cabinet.
Yeah, cabinet, exactly. This is. So we used to do business with those people. They also fine.
The trackings for the cabinet.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So is here those guys going they buy with them wholesale and then do the cabinet and the sell it.
Okay.
So but if it's like here you say like door, say this is the handle. Yeah, door handle. They have different for cabinet. Different doors. It does be different. Yeah. So, okay, I think we are good with this market. We can move to another. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So here, 老板，过来一下。
怎么样？
这最便宜是哪一款？
便宜的了，这些。
最便宜。
下面这些最便宜的。这里。
OK，这个多少钱？
这个牌子，就是这种牌子。
OK，这个多少钱？
这个是12块钱一副。
12。
对，两个来，
两个，
对，一盒了，一盒。
我来看一下啊。
啊。
So guys, here the price for this one. So we got this for the $1 for this one. You see, this is the price for this one, and there's 2 inside. Yeah, 2 inside. So guys, what you guys think of the price? What you guys think of this price? So guys, this one is around $1 for this one. $1, yeah. I know. So they say this is the one, and they have a lot. So how? Yeah, this is kind of very expensive there in Africa. 这呢？这牌子贵吗？
这个看一下，对。等一下啊。
有没有？
来，这个
5、6块钱这样子啊
？5、6块钱。
对，你这个就12块钱，有点太贵了。
你10块钱是一两只哦。
我知道，但是没有
5、6块钱一
的。
对的就没有，来这个3只的。
对，这5、6块钱。
这个3个的，3个18。
Okay, so here there are the 3.
Okay.
Set.
3 pieces.
3 pieces. 你说多少钱？18
元。
Okay, so this is $2 for 3.
Okay.
So $1 for 2, $3. I don't know what's the calculation, but it's kind of good. Okay.
It depends on the size.
没有10块钱以下。
10块钱的，我给你找一个啊，再薄一点的了。来，这个
9块钱。
这9块钱。
Okay, she said this one African buy a lot. This one.
这个厚度
this
薄
one
一
is
些。
only. Sorry.
$1.25.
2 mm 的。
Ooh, 84 cents.
Yeah, 84 cents. So guys, you got this one less than $1.你看看。
那那个2横米
Yeah, she says it's not that thick.
，2
Yeah, less than $1.
Yeah,
So you got 2
毫米。
at this price.
Yeah.
So it's very cheap at this price. You guys see the price? Okay. 84 cents for 2. So if you want 100, so guys, you can use that to do a good business.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if you're building your house, this is also good.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It's very cheap.
I just bought some before I came.
Yeah. So you can take like 1 or 2.
Probably I should, because we're gonna need.
You can take 1 or 2 in case you need it. If not, remove. You guys need it? Because it's very cheap. Here the price is good.
这个也是9块，
Okay,
也是9
so
块
this。is $1. It's 2. Yeah.
Okay, let me get 2 of these.
这个现货可以吗？
有啊，你要多
现
少？
货就要2个，给拿吗？
可以呀、
对，OK 行。
可以。
Okay, so she want to. Okay, you can take 2.
就要一盒嘛，一副嘛，对不对？就是一
就
盒。
我就要这个2个1、2，可以吗？
可以啊，
OK 行。
2盒。
对，2盒。
可以
OK，
有啊
多少钱一共？
你是要这一个跟这一个还是一样的？
我要
跟这个一
这个就2盒。
啊，可以啊。
行
有啊有啊，马上就有、
我给
啊。
报价一下。
9块钱一盒，那
是一个
18块钱呢。
OK 行。
对。
OK。
现在要拿走
对，
吗？
现在拿走。
哦，可以。
OK guys,
你
so
还有其他需要吗？
she asked me whether you need something else.
I wanna look at those.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay guys, so
I could take
we will test the quality. Yeah? She will take it and she will test the quality. She will go and test the quality and we will see.
this is for kitchen.
I think this is aluminum. This one is not that bad. Hey, how much is this one? 这个多少钱？
这是铝的，这一款的话是80。
80. Oh, this is a little bit expensive.
Yeah, I don't have any place to put that. I
So-
usually have
so you
some
forget
of
about it.
these and-
这辆多少钱？
它是论勾勾记的，你现在要哪一种？
这个。
就这个最大的。
嗯。
你这一个的话，最大的要50块钱一盘。
50个。那哦，is it 50 like $3? $3 for one. For the biggest
For
one.
the biggest one? Like,
Yeah.
how about for this
哎，
size?
这个呢？
那2、4、5，30块，30。
30. So this one we are around $2.
Okay, let me get 2 of these.
OK，这个可以拿2个吗？2个。
可以啊。
You know
也
what?
行。
I wish
Okay.
I could get them for the
有现货吗？
有啊。
You say for
可以记下来。
It would be 2. Yeah, that's it. 2 because.
so you take
otherwise-
2 of this one. You test it.
Yeah.
You can keep it at home in case you need it, or you can figure out the place,
No,
or you will
I
use
know
it.
What this is? I know you hooked something on these.
哎，这位，
这是
这是怎么形容呢？
酒杯架，红酒杯架。
我会觉得是怎么样，我也不知道，
酒
我不记得。
杯
Oh yes, this is one glasses.
Oh, okay, okay.
Put it
Okay,
Yeah,
put
yeah.
it up.
And then
It's like a
yeah,
glasses. Yeah.
yeah.
I was like, I
okay.
know these things, but I can't remember.
Let's do it somewhere. OK，行，我们这个要2个，you take 2 of
这
this
个是
one.
吧？要2
Yeah,
个，
so-
可以。
So what is? I think. Are we good? Hey, you,
These are tools,
you,
right?
I,
Not
I think you guys can keep some tools at home, right? Like
Yeah.
take 1 box.
I'm a tool woman.
Yeah, this is
I
better.
like tools.
Yeah, at least you can fix something at home in case there's something urgent.
再看看还有其他的。
多看一看吧。So guys, this is a good business. Very cheap. So we take some samples and we test the market. Nothing else, right? I think we are good. Yeah.
就这样子是吧？
对对，就这样。
I could play with the
Yeah, you can take it. Yeah, let her make the calculation. I think we are still using this in Africa. Guys, this one we are still using in Africa. Is that one? Sorry. This one we are still using it. Hey, 老板，这个多少钱？这种呢？ I see the price. 多少钱这种呢？
哪一个？
这个最便宜新那款。
最便宜这款。
多少钱
？35。
35。
嗯。
OK。明白。好，你算算。
哦，好。我先往那。
So,
Tell me, what is going on?
these lights, do you know we have them at the electrical market?
Yeah, you can have this one. I know where you can get it.
Okay.
It's only that one? It's a solar light, right?
Yeah,
I know.
and it's sensor. It go
Off when there's no one. When you pass down
no, it go off in the night.
at night time.
Yeah.
Photocell.
It's photocell.
When the sun goes down, it comes on. When the sun rises, it goes off.
I think when we meet the guy, we ask him where they got this one. After this one, we rush the market and we go there. So today we go very late. So, 请问，喂，能不能快点？我们要赶时间。
哦，上去找。
Okay, okay.
So,
Okay, guys, this is, yes. You wait.
Okay.
Don't let them catch your QR code. When they came. I mean, the one on the door is this one.
yeah, it's similar. It's not the same brand, but it's very similar.
Yeah, the design is similar. It's cool. Hey, 喂，有没有支付宝？
支付宝，你支付宝了。
支付宝啊！
这么厉害？
我们要支付宝。Which you change the QR code?
犀利啊！支付寶。
Okay. Okay. Let me teach you.
So scan here, right?
Yeah, you got it. Yeah. So guys, we are buying that now. We are okay. So you can.
So we pay Mrs. what we pay.
Yeah. Paying for the sample. We check the market, or if you try to see, it's cheaper. It's true, but check also the quality. So you can go on her channel to see the feedback. Okay?
Yes.
So let's go.
𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐵1.
Yeah, this is the channel.
Check me out.
Yep. Okay, let's go.